Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. How's it going?
Good.
Yeah. What are you up to today?
Nothing. Like, just going to this house.
What? I can barely hear you.
Nothing. Just going to my house.
Okay. Well, that's cool.
Yeah.
So you got a lot of plans today?
Well, I just got done filming for TikTok.
Oh, you're a TikToker?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You kind of look like you'd be a TikToker.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. So what do you do?
I make videos with the Hype House.
With the Hype House?
Yeah, that's where I just was.
Are you on that TV show, the Hype House TV show on Netflix?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh. Did you want to follow me on Instagram?
No, sorry.
Why not?
I just don't follow lames or weirdos.
Lames? What do you mean?
Like, you're weird and a lame. I'm not following you.
What? What do you
Unless
mean?
you maybe get like 100,000 views more followers, then I'll think about it.
I have like 75 followers. Like,
Okay, try 7,500.
7,500?
Maybe I'll debate it. And then if you have 100,000, then I'll think about it.
Okay. Well, thank you.
Yeah, but I'm sure you'll probably never get there. Because
Why not?
it is hard. And especially for people, I don't know, like, that look like that.
What, because I'm Mexican?
There's no race involved. I'm just saying that you're ugly in general.
Are you serious?
So it's kind of hard for ugly people to get famous on TikTok. Yeah.
Oh my...
Sorry.
You're like a one-star passenger.
You're like a one-star driver. You're going so slow.
It's in a residential neighborhood. I'm driving the speed. I'm going 25.
Yeah, I didn't really ask where we were. I just want you to hurry it up.
Well, I'm literally going as fast as I possibly can. Like...
Okay, well, that's too slow.
Are you wearing your seatbelt?
Yeah, I'm wearing my seatbelt.
Okay. Can you please just, like, not talk to me or something? Because you're being really mean. Honestly, I'm debating about just, like, canceling the ride.
Canceling me? The ride?
Yeah.
You're literally funny. You're literally funny. You want to know why?
Why? What'd you just do? You just canceled the ride.
No, I didn't.
Why did you do that?
Because I didn't do nothing. That's why.
And you just took off your seatbelt.
Because I wanted to, because I can. Thank you very much.
You're trying to get a free ride. You know what? Are you trying to get a free ride out of me?
No, just take me home, please. Thank you.
You know where I'm going to take you? To the police station. There's one right around the corner. That's where you belong.
Why would you take me to the police station?
Because you're trying to scam me for a free ride.
No one's trying to scam you.
You are. You just canceled the ride in the middle of the ride.
To the police station.
This is like a $30 ride. Like, I was going to pay my grocery bills with this.
Bruh, you cannot take me to the police station. Please just take me home. It's literally around the corner.
I'm dropping you off at the police station. It's right up here. It's right up here.
No, you don't need to do that. Thank you. And my house is over there, so keep going straight.
Nope, I'm turning. I'm sorry. You can go to the police station.
Are you kidding?
Yep.
Literally drop me off right
We're
here.
right here. It's the police station.
Literally, no.
Yep.
Keep driving.
Nope.
Keep driving.
You can go right here. Hey, officer. Yeah, I got one right here. I got one right here. Hey, where you going? Where you going?